guys, myself Sajan. Welcome to Career Consult channel. As the introduction says, I am going to start complete HTML from basic to advanced course in my YouTube channel, and it will be starting from March 15, 2021. So I request all of you to provide me the support to do more courses, create more courses and provide it for free for you. You won't be getting the complete course in a single video because it will be really lengthy and it will be difficult for you to learn. I will be breaking that long videos of the course into small videos so that you can easily understand, and also when you are getting some trouble in some concept, then you don't need to watch the complete video, complete long course. You will be just need to watch the particular video which you are having doubt. So you will be getting videos for 2 days, means for 2 days you will be getting one video, and it is going to help you and me also. You will be getting the time to learn the concept and also to experiment by practicing the code. And if you have any doubts, then you can also comment it. So it will be having 1 day enough time in order to learn that. And also when I compare it to my side, it will be really easy for me to shoot the course video and also to edit. So it will be taking 1 day, so it will be really easy for me to upload one video for 2 days. From March 15 it will be going to be live, and from March 15 and then the next video will be coming on 17th, 19th and similarly onwards like that. But here I need your suggestion. So while we are learning HTML or any coding language, it will be really benefit if you are learning that along with the project. So I am really confused about what project I should choose. When we are going to CSS, we will be using that project and we will be styling that project, and by JavaScript we will be adding more functions to that web page, and at the final of complete all of these courses we will be building a website which is a working website. So I am really confused about the project idea. So I really I request you to just comment it down whatever the idea, and if I feel this idea is really good, then I will definitely go and I will in my course I will include that project, and you can learn that project from my videos. So from March 15th onwards it is coming to live. So please support by subscribing this channel if you are new to this channel, and also like this video and share this video. And please note that I have created this course such a way that you can easily learn, and I have tried my level best to make it as interactive as possible. So I really request you to support.